Woodpeckers Bench Rules SS share some of the features of our Polini pocket rules, but they're scaled up to sizes that match larger furniture and cabinetry projects. Woodpeckers bench rules are a generous 1 3/4 inch wide. Their large size makes them great to work with when you're handling larger stock, like plywood parts. And they're easy to read, with large, clear engraving. But we didn't stop with just a great scale. The bench rules come with this cool sliding stop. Marking multiple boards at exactly the same point couldn't be easier. Just set your stop, bring it against the edge of your stock, and make your mark. Take a closer look at the end of the rule. There's a notch milled in the end. It's just the right size to capture the end of a mechanical pencil. This keeps your scribed lines at precisely the dimension you locked in. Now, slide the stop off the end of the rule. Slip it through the cutout, and the stop becomes a stand that keeps the bench rule standing on edge while you adjust the height of router bits, drill bits, and saw blades. Bench Rule SS comes in 12, 18, and 24-inch lengths. You can get it with inch graduations on both edges, or with inch on one edge and metric on the other. All scales are engraved to a tolerance of 0.04 of an inch total accumulated error over the length of the scale. All rules are 2 inches longer than their nominal dimension to make sure you can use the stop all the way. The bench rules are all available individually, or you can get all 3 as a set. When you get the set, it includes a wall-mountable racket to keep your rules right in plain sight and ready for work. If you're looking for a shop rule that matches the scale of larger projects, is easy to read, stands on its own, and doubles as a marking gauge, you're looking for Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS. Order yours today.